In this second part of the upgrade process, we are going to ensure all the Dbvisit services are indeed stopped. If you want, you can make a backup of your existing installed directory. We're going to, you can download the software, extract it, and then we'll run the installer. Make sure that we are then running with the new software version 9. So first of all, let's have a look. If we refresh here, you'll see that all my Dbvisit services are stopped. So that's good. The same on my standby. There you've got it as well, just to confirm. And then on our console, the same. So we are all good to go with all the Dbvisit services stopped. Okay, so from here we are now going to install our new version 9 software. So I'm going to put this in the background. I'm going to bring this up nice and close. You can see that I've already downloaded the version 9 software, so I am going to double click on it to extract it. It's going to open the setup wizard, and I'm going to say next, next, and it's going to ask me for the details, the password there. There we go. So it carries on with the installation, and there you can see it says no need to do anything. It picks up there's already an installation and it does the work for you. So now you can hit enter and finish, and then we will continue over with the standby host. Let's minimize that. Let's get this out. I've already downloaded. Let's double click. Let's extract this, and we do the same here. Next, yes, yes. Hopefully I can grab the password the first time around, and we say install, great stuff, and then we say okay. It picks up that there's already something and it takes it further, and it shows now that it started the services. We will check that in any case. Okay, so finish, and then lastly we need to go to our central console and do the same there. So let's close some of this background and let's do this. Next, agree. Now here we are just saying DBV server. Next. Yep. Grab the password. There we go. All right, and then we hit enter, and that is the installation done. It's really as easy as that. Now, you would want to say yes, but how do I confirm that everything is fine? So what I'll tell you is go to Program Files, go to Dbvisit. Remember, this is our central console server, so we must go to DBV server, and here we're going to say, oh, my slashes, dot slash dbv server exe minus db. There you can see it picks up that it's using version 9, and that you can go and do the same to verify primary. But here we are going to go to the standby call, so we will be going to program files, Dbvisit Standby, and here you will type in, oh my goodness, dbvctl.exe minus capital V, and there you can see the same. So we are happy with this one, and then let's just do the same for Rua, our standby host, and then we know we've confirmed that we are running the correct version software. So it will be dot slash dbvctl minus capital V. Oops. Dot slash db. Oh, I mean capitals. Sorry. dbvctl exe minus capital V. And there you go. There you can see it. Okay. So this indicates that we have successfully installed the version 9 software on all three our hosts. We will continue with part 3 in the next video.